Hey everybody, what's going on? It's Elementary Mitch, and today's review, I'm really excited to show you the Jasonwell Magnetic Blocks or Magnetic Tiles. Um, I teach STEM, if you guys did not know, so it is my job to review and just see things like this that are related to STEM and see how my students interact with these products to see if they really like it, if it really opens up their minds to creativity, problem solving, collaborating with each other. So today what I want to do is just open up this box and show you what's inside. Now, like you, I hop onto Amazon and there are the more known products. And like you, I always want to see if I can pay less and see if they're just as good. And, if I'm going to pay less for something that's just as good, why not continue to do that? And why not make the step towards purchasing these? So today what I want to do is see if these are just as good as the higher priced name brand magnetic blocks, and then definitely let you know how I feel about these. Okay, so before I open this up, we have the Jasonwell magnetic blocks. These have 108 pieces, ages 3 and up. And the warning, I'm not sure exactly what they would choke on, but let's go ahead and open this up and let's see what's inside. Okay, so let's go ahead and start with just the tiles. I'm going to go ahead and set these off to the side. Ooh, now let me move this off to the side here. Why do I feel like this should open? There we go, it does. So it's like a bigger plate, but there's the magnets, and that's what allows this to stay like that. Okay, so we have more of these tiles. Now these would be the triangular ones. So all of these would be squares, triangles, more triangles. And these are definitely like hinges. These look like these would interlock. Okay, we have longer triangles. Let's put that up there. We have more triangles. We have, I like the colors. I really, really like the colors. And then last but not least, oh, well, we had some rectangular ones hiding down here. And then we have these magnetic cars. So that's cool. So let me kind of back up the shot here and see what everything is involved here. So we have the two cars. We have two of these hinges. We have the long triangles. We have the regular triangles, or I guess you would, these would be my right triangles. These would be the rectangles. I guess these would just be regular isosceles triangles. And then the squares. So those are the pieces. Oh yeah, I forgot this big plate right here. So there you go. That's all 108 pieces right there. And this is a new twist. I've never seen these before, and that's cool looking. Definitely looks like you can hook these up right here. And they're magnetic, so if students want to, that's magnetic right there. If they wanted to put, those are definitely See how that stands up like that? Just got to make sure you find the right angle there. So yeah, there's all the pieces. Again, this is the Jasonwell Magnetic Tiles or blocks, and this is everything that comes inside. And it also comes with a booklet. So there's all of your pieces. This is everything that it comes with. And then they even have some ideas, just pages and pages of ideas for students to look through. But I'm guessing that students or your children are going to have their own ideas, but it's nice to know that if they just somehow, I can't think of anything to make, they have some ideas for them here. But these are all the pieces that it comes with in your Jasonwell Magnetic Tiles. Okay, guys, so after looking through those magnetic tiles, I've seen the more expensive ones. Guys, don't pay the extra cost. These are just as sturdy, just as well built, just as fun. So I would definitely stick with the Jasonwell magnet tiles. But hey, if you want to do your own research, I just know I've seen the higher price ones. These are not flimsy. They feel and, you know, connect just like the good ones do. So if I were you, check the description if you want to see the link to getting these. I just know my students are going to have so much fun with them. And thank you so much for watching.